Dear children, in my previous videos, I have done the solution of exercise 1 of chapter 2 linear equation in one variable of NCERT. Today I am here again with the solutions of exercise 2 of chapter 2 linear equation in one variable of NCERT of class 8. So let's start. You know what is an equation? Equation means there is an equal side and we have got left hand side on the and right hand side on the either side of the equal sign. Okay, so in the first question, what is the first question? X upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. I told you earlier also in earlier solutions also what is a like fraction or like terms. Okay, so these are the like terms having the same variable x. So the like terms I am going to transpose to one side and this constant term I am going to take it on the right hand side. Let's bring this x upon 2 up. I told you in earlier class also, in earlier videos also, that when the side transposition is there, we have to change the sign. If it is negative, it will become positive, and if it is positive, it will become negative. So here it is positive, so you will bring it here. So it will become minus x upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 4, and this constant minus 1 upon 5, when it will come to this side, it will become 1 upon 5. Okay, so again I am telling you, these are unlike denominators. So what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of the denominators and we have to make them equal. Like 2 and 3's LCM is equal to 6. In 2's table, 6 comes 3 times. So we are going to multiply 3 in the numerator. So it will become 3x minus 3's table. In 3's table, 6 comes twice. So we are going to multiply 2 in the numerator. In the same way, these are also unlike fractions. They are having different denominators. So we need to take the LCM of the denominators. So it is 4 and 5. So we will make them. When we take the LCM of 4 and 5, it is 20. And in 4's table, 20 comes 5 times. So 5 will be multiplied here. Okay, in the numerator. Plus, in 5's table 20 comes 4 times, so we are going to multiply 4 here. So it will become 3x minus 2 into x, 2x upon 6 is equal to 5 ones are 5, 4 are 4 upon 20. Okay, now we'll go to this side. 3x minus 2x is 1x. Either you write 1x or x, that is equal only, is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 upon 20. Now 6 is in the denominator. It is divided here. So when the side transposition is there, we will take it and it will be multiplied with 9. Okay? And always you need to write these fractions in the reduced form. Means if it is getting cancelled, you need to cancel. Like it will go by 2. 3 2's are 6. And this will be 10 2's are 20. So x is equal to 9 3's are 27 upon 10. So this is the value of our variable x. And solve the equation means when we find the value of the variable. And this is x is equal to 27 upon 10. So let's proceed to the second question. Okay, second question is n by 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21. What is the variable here? N. N is the variable here and we need to find the value of n in this question. Okay, so all the like terms are here only. See, here n by 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6. So we don't have to bring them to the same side. They are all in the same side only. Okay, in the left hand side. So what we need to do, because they are having the unlike denominator. So what we are going to take? We are going to take the LCM of this 3 numbers 2, 4 and 6. So here I'm going to quickly tell you if anybody is having problem or they struggle with taking out the LCM of the denominators. So let's see quickly. I'll tell you how we can take the LCM. LCM of 2, 4 and 6. How you will take LCM, all the 3 digits you write down. Okay, so we use prime factorization method. Here we are going to take only prime numbers. Okay, if anybody is having some issues with prime and composite numbers, you can write your doubts or you can put your doubts in the comment section. I'm going to answer your doubts. Okay, so it is 2 ones are because 2 is a prime number. 2, then again 4 will go by 2, 6 will also go by 2 3 times. Okay, then again because 1 digit is there, 2 is there, it will go by 2. 3 will not go by 2, so it will come down as it is. Now 3 is again a prime number. Now we will write 3 here. 3 ones are 3. Now what we are going to do? We are going to take their multiplication. We are going to multiply 2 into 2 into 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So we have to change the denominators to 12. Okay. So n upon 2. In 2's table 12 comes 6 times. So we are going to multiply the denominator as well as the numerator with 6. Okay. So it will be 6n minus 3 upon 4. In 4's tables 12 comes 3 times. So we are going to multiply 3 in the numerator as well. Then in 6 tables 12 comes 2 times. So we are going to multiply the denominator with 2 as well as we are going to multiply 2 in the numerator. Okay. Now 6 into n, that is 6n upon 12 minus 3n into 9 is your minus 9. We are going to multiply the constant only here. Here the coefficient is 3 and this 3. Okay, so it will become minus n 9n upon 12 and this is plus 5 2s are 10n upon 12. In the right hand side is equal to 21. So now you see 12, 12, 12 now all became like. So now we are going to add or subtract them very easily. Okay. So 6n minus 9n is your minus 3n upon 12 plus 10n upon 12 is equal to 21. Because how it minus 3n came? Because one is negative and one is positive. Plus minus is minus, but the sign will be of negative. Why? Because the bigger number is having the negative sign. So it will be minus 3n upon 12 plus 10n upon 12 is equal to 21. Okay. Now negative and positive, it will be the operation of subtraction. It will be minus 10n minus 3n will be 7n and the sign will be of bigger number, and the bigger number here is what? Here it is 10. So it is positive. So the sign will be positive only. Okay. So you positive sign, we don't write plus. Okay, if you don't write anything, it means it is positive, but we need to put the negative sign. Okay, don't forget that. So it is 7n upon 12 upon 21. Okay, now 12 is divided here. So when the side transposition will be there, it will be multiplied here. Okay, and 7 is multiplied with the variable n here. So when the side transposition will be done, it will come down here. So it will be upon or divided by. Okay, so now 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, and n is equal to 12 3s are how much? It is 36. So what is the value of our variable? N is equal to 36. And children, if you are liking my explanation and if you are liking my videos, so please don't forget to hit the like buttons and please subscribe to my channel so that I can be more in a motivated way. I will be putting more videos and I will be coming with more concepts of maths. So in order to motivate me, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.